The Supreme Court has made strong observations while hearing a petition filed by former Travancore Devaswam Board member KP Shankar Das in the Sabarimala gold robbery case, remarking that he did not even spare God. The court has said that Shankar Das, who had signed the Devaswam Board's minutes, cannot evade responsibility. It has also declined to interfere with his plea, seeking removal of 5 paragraphs from a Kerala High Court single bench judgment. Remember, in an earlier order, the High Court single bench had observed that Devaswam Board members Shankar Das and Vijay Kumar bore responsibility in the gold robbery case. My colleague Nupur joins us with more details on this. Nupur, explain to us the significance of the court's observations in this matter, because politically this is a case that's playing out a lot, especially with elections coming up.
Well, yes, the Supreme Court has not only made this strong observation but has also expressed this kind of view that it also agrees with the prima facie, we can say that agrees with the statements made by the Kerala High Court. Remember, the board member Shankar Das had moved the Supreme Court seeking removal of 5 paragraphs from the Kerala High Court order that he claimed could cause a bias against him when the trial proceeds, and it could unnecessarily cause the remarks could go against him without being adjudged properly. However, he also said that the court made these remarks without hearing his explanation, but the Supreme Court bench headed by Justice Dipankar Datta was of the view that they have to approach the High Court only for if they want those remarks to be removed. They also in fact, Shankar Das also gave the reasoning of his old age and health issues, saying that his anticipatory bail plea should be considered. However, the top court clarified that in case he approaches the lower courts for anticipatory bail, then the bail petition should be considered on merits. But at the same time, the top court refused to interfere with the Kerala High Court order that had made really strong observations against both the board members, saying that they cannot evade responsibility of the gold theft case in the Sabarimala temple. And in fact, it said that if he wants to contest those observations, he should go back to the Kerala High Court and explain his side. The Supreme Court today has refused to interfere with the Kerala High Court's observations.